So what happened to Ella?
Ready for our adventure, Mina?
Yes, let's go!
Wait, did you hear that?
It sounds like crying.
Quick, let's go help!
Hello, we're coming!
Whoa, a baby elephant!
Shh, Leo, she's scared.
Oh, it's okay, little one.
Hello. Hi, I'm Mina, and this is Leo. What's your name? I'm Ella. Nice to meet you, Ella. Penful. Why are you crying? Tomorrow is the Jungle Splash Festival. It's the biggest celebration in the jungle. The festival is on the other side of the river.
So you'll have to cross the water?
And I'm scared of water. But elephants usually love water. I know, but I've always been afraid. Ella, that's okay, Ella. That it is okay to be scared of. Everyone gets scared sometimes.
It's so exciting! But it looks scary! Don't be scared, Ella!
We'll have fun. Okay, I'll try. Squeak, I couldn't help overhearing.
You aren't scared of anything?
Oh, I get scared too. You do?
Being brave doesn't mean you're never scared.
Then what does it mean?
It means taking one small step, even when you're afraid.
One small step?
That's all.
Ella, you are braver than you think.
But what if I can't do it?
You can. I believe in you.
We're here for you, Ella.
Always.
You can do it, Ella. That's it. Be brave. I'm trying. Yes, one more step. We're so proud.
You can do it, Ella!
We believe in you.
Oh, okay. Here I go!
Yeah! You touched the water. That was amazing. It wasn't as scary as I thought. Ready for another step? I think so. My boat! My boat! Oh no! It's floating away! Please help. The river? Ella, it's okay if you're scared.
Yes, save the boat! I got it! Hold on!
Eek!
Hooray, you did it!
You're our hero, Ella!
Splash Festival, here we go!
This is the best festival ever.
I can't wait for river races! Ella, this Bravest Heart Award is for you!
You showed courage today.
Thank you all! This is the best day ever! You were so brave, Ella! We're so happy for you!
Hooray, Ella! Hooray! Thanks for watching our adventure!